Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful truck. It's a 1952 Ford F1. It's been slightly modified. It's definitely meant to be driven. It's got air conditioning too. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Okay.
What a pretty truck, man. Really nice.
Thank you.
He also has the 57 over there for sale. Frame off, restored, absolutely gorgeous. Air ride, air conditioning and everything as well. So tell us a little bit about the F1.
Just bought it for my kids, you know, and to have it fun.
Yeah, sure. Cruising around.
I don't want to sell it for problems. I want to sell it to buy. I'd like it to enjoy a couple of months, and then, you know, summertime.
Sure.
Here in New York, you know, winter's coming. And,
Yep.
Okay. Buy another one.
Sure. He likes to restore them, enjoy them. The kids his boys love to ride around in them as well. So he shows them at shows and likes nice, reliable stuff. I love the color too. It really sets it off.
Yeah.
It's got a 350 under the hood. I think turbo 350 trans, right? Let's check out under the hood. .350 under here.
Yeah. You want to start it?
Single down draft carb. Yeah, fire it up. Air conditioning. Nice big aluminum radiator. Looks like a painless wiring system. Runs really nice. Looks like an oak bed back here. Inside we got just a regular bench seat. Nice to have the seat belts as well. Upgraded turn signals. Full gauges. Showing 79,488 miles. And there's your air conditioning unit right there. 12 volt outlet. It's pretty nice. You can see it's nice and tidy in here. Very presentable. Purrs like a kitten. Can you take it around the block real quick? Love these old pickups. Got electronic wipers too. Runs nice. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. So webeautos.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.